What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning your fender wells and how to basically restore that plastic trim on the inside there and really making those little details of your car look brand new again. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the car up in the air, pull all the wheels off so we have full access to the entire inside fender well there. By doing so, it just makes the job that much easier to clean and really restore it and properly to make it look good again. If you guys don't happen to have a lift to lift the car all the way up, if you have a floor jack, you can jack up one side at a time, pull the one wheel off, and do each fender well one by one that way. So let's get it up in the air. All right, so now we got the car up in there, we got the wheel off on, we can really see what's going on inside here. You can see it's really kind of dull and chalky and it's lost that black luscious look from, when it looked like it was brand new. Now this car is just over 10 years old. I've had it the last just over 5 years now. I've never really done like a proper restoration or anything like that using the solution finish product, which is what we're going to be using today to clean all this plastic trim up in there. We're going to wipe it all down first, make sure it is clean before we use the solution finish to restore that black plastic trim in there. Once that's done, we're actually going to wipe the suspension down while we have it up right here, but we don't really need to film that so much on video because we are just focusing here on the plastic. But we're going to get in here, get everything cleaned up, looking really, really nice, and then we're going to go ahead and restore that plastic trim. So what I'm going to use here to do this process is I grabbed one of my 300 GSM black microfiber towels here. Now this towel right here is pre-soaked with the O&R wash solution. It is diluted at 1/2 ounce per gallon. I will use this right here to wipe all the suspension, the arms, the black plastic trim, the caliper, all this down in here. Once I've got it all wiped down, then I'm going to move on to the solution finish, restoring all that black plastic trim. So there you guys have it. Everything is looking brand spanking new again. Looks really, really nice in there. I got 3 more to do. I'm already getting tired from just the one, so I better get to work. I'm gonna cut the video short here, guys. I wanna thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope this helped you guys out. I hope you guys geeked out as much as I did with really getting in there and getting everything looking really, really nice. It was definitely needing it. So with that being said, guys, I'm signing off here. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button as well as the subscribe button if you guys are not already subscribed to the channel. With that being said, guys, talk to you soon.